Hi Myra.
Hello.
So you've been interning with Forested India for quite some time now.
Mhm.
What has been your experience here?
Well, I'm always trying to find the right words to explain my experience here to others, and it's never enough. It's just a magnificent rainforest. Um, it's not every day, us coming from the city, that you get to experience nature at such a raw and true form. And this is a space where you can truly do that.
Right.
I always leave with a shift in my perspective, knowing more about the world, about myself. Dheeraj sir is a wellspring of knowledge. So there's always so much to learn about rainforest ecology, about the various species, the abundance of life that we have in our, most biodiverse regions in our country itself. And it's a privilege to have been under his mentorship for about 4 years now. And I've been working with Forested India since its inception about a year ago. So I've been able to see them build it from scratch, and Dheeraj and Harshita have put so much heart into the place. And that's another aspect that always comes out in any small interaction that you have with them, or even if it's a long stay. There's so much heart and passion in this place, and that's hard to find. And it really reflects in the way that knowledge is shared here. From every small question that you might have about a leaf lying on the floor to, the most complex adaptations of some of the rainforest species that you are able to find here. All of it is explained to you with so much depth, so much knowledge, so much clarity. It's just a fabulous experience to be here, share conversations, explore this rainforest. There's so many endemic species that you only find here.
Correct. Yes.
And even if you are not someone who is deeply looking for a theoretical understanding of this forest, even if you are somebody who's a complete beginner, this is an equally safe space to come here, just be in nature, take your time, observe, and reconnect with this sort of wild life that we've, sadly left behind.
True.
And so Forested India is a place that encapsulates all of this range of what forest experiences can be into one, and it's just a great experience every time I come here.
So wishing you all the best, and hope you find what you're looking for.
Thank you.
All the best.